In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use picture-in-picture mode on your iPad. The first thing we need to do is to enable picture-in-picture mode inside of our iPad settings. So to do this, we first need to open the settings application. Now you want to scroll down until you find multitasking and gestures and tap onto that. Now where it says start PiP automatically, you want to make sure this is toggled on. Now we've done this, we can exit out of the settings application. Now picture-in-picture mode should automatically work when you play videos in other applications. In some cases, you may need to enable the picture-in-picture mode setting inside the application itself. So for YouTube for example, we need to open the application. And then you want to click on your channel icon in the bottom right hand corner. And then you want to select the gear icon in the top right. Once you're inside the application settings, you want to click on playback on the left. And then you want to make sure picture-in-picture has been toggled on. Just bear in mind that for YouTube specifically, you will need to have a YouTube Premium subscription for this to work. So now we've enabled picture-in-picture, we can exit out of the settings. And again, we can go ahead and select a video. Once we've done this, while the video is playing, we can exit out of the application. And again, picture-in-picture will now be working. We can go ahead and move it from any corner of the screen. And if you want to quickly hide the picture-in-picture, you can swipe it to the edge of your screen. And then tap the arrow icon to bring it back. Now if you tap into picture-in-picture, you see some basic controls such as your timeline, a play and pause video, and a backwards and forwards. You can also exit out of it from here as well. And as a bonus tip, you can double tap on it to make it bigger and smaller. Now if you want to go back to the original video player, you can either open the application again, or you can select the application icon in the top right hand corner of the picture-in-picture mode. And this will take you back to the video player. Just bear in mind that when the video is paused and you exit out of the application, it will no longer be using picture-in-picture. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.